hasta aquí porque un fandango anunciaron, solo he llegado hasta aquí.
My name is César Castro González and I'm originally from Veracruz, Mexico.
Yo acostumbro a ser así porque así me han educado y al son del siquisirí saludo a las que llegaron.
It was just a magical moment when I heard the jarana for the first time. I was an urban kid, 13 years old, 14, 15, growing up, learning the song Jarocho, discovering a new world, finding out that that was the music of my grandparents, my great-grandparents, and on. I moved to LA in 2005. I got invited to work with Quetzal, the Chicano rock band. I was introduced directly to the Chicano community, the artists, musicians. They were integrating the son Jarocho and fandango in specific as part of their culture. What happened is I got married and now I have family and I stayed here. People here also took my presence as a teacher who was willing to share. With jarana, I want to be able to give people the option of becoming better people, to feel comfortable in their society. I perform with Cambalache, I have a group. I decided with Juan Perez, the bass player, to have a son Jarocho group. Xochi, my wife, she's part of it, and now Chuy Sandoval is part of the group. I'm passionate about this music because I just love the sounds, the wood, the way it is structured. You know, it has this type of Baroque style that I really enjoy, the call response, you know, that interaction. I love it. The music form of son Jarocho allows people to join with a very basic knowledge or sophisticated. And at some point, we all have to agree and play together. So having that option in a music genre creates community. These instruments are being part of the history now in the US, little by little, and growing.